The sidebar in the Finder window is a powerful organizational tool by default. It can be customized to speed navigation when accessing files, folders, drives, and networks. Now moving to the third module in the Finder Preferences. Sidebar. The sidebar is descriptive of the panel on the left side of the Finder window that contains a list of drives, services, folders, locations, and tags. Click on the sidebar icon to open the third module in the Finder Preferences. The sidebar preferences are divided into 4 categories: Favorites, iCloud, Locations and Tags. The Favorites section includes the most commonly used folders for file storage, media files, system files, and AirDrop, which allows you to transfer files from one device to another. iCloud is in its own category, as it is Apple's file backup service, which allows you to retrieve backed up files, sync files with other devices, and share files with others. Locations includes hard drives, disk drives, connected computers, and connected servers. The tag system offers a way to identify files or groups of files for easy retrieval. If you click and check any of the items in this module, they will appear in your Finder window sidebar. The sidebar of the Finder window serves as a list of shortcuts that give you instant access to files, folders, and storage devices connected to your computer. You can add or delete items from the sidebar to enhance and organize your personal workflow. To remove sidebar items, simply right-click and select Removed from Sidebar in the flyout menu. This action will not result in deleting files, folders, or storage devices. Adding custom folders to the sidebar is a simple drag-and-drop process. Navigate your Finder window to locate a specific folder, and drag it to the sidebar. You can drag folders to the sidebar as new shortcuts, but you cannot drag a single file unless you place it in an existing shortcut folder. Once added, you can rename sidebar shortcuts. Right-click on a title and select Rename from the menu. The title will be highlighted ready for a new name. You can further organize your shortcut list by changing the order in which sidebar items appear. Simply drag a title to a new location. If you are working on a specific project, you can drag the project folder into the sidebar for easy access, then simply delete it from the sidebar when finished. If there are other Mac system or application software issues that you would like to see presented, please let us know in the comments.